Today, I'm going to show you how to turn one drain hole into 10 with the new CPR Drain Shield. Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my daughter Jonica. And I'm here to show you how easy it is to install the CPR Drain Shield. Now, as we know, most of our planters have one drain hole. Can you tip that over? Great. And we're going to take that one drain hole, and with the CPR, we're going to turn it into 10 holes. We're going to flip it over for demonstration purposes, but you would need to put this over the drain hole on the inside. But here is your drain hole, and we would place the CPR Drain Shield over the drain hole inside. So as you can see, each one of these spaces would become another drain. The outer edge acts as an eave, preventing the soil from being compacted in the openings. I have a banana tree that I divided up and I'm sharing with my daughter today. So this is what we're going to plant. So first we're going to put the CPR Drain Shield in the bottom, directly over the drain hole of the planter. And then we're going to simply add our potting mix. And while she's doing that, I'm going to pull the banana tree out. Okay, maybe about halfway full. Okay, we'll put one piece in. Okay, and then maybe add just a little dirt to stabilize it. All right, and we'll add the other piece. Okay. Okay, we'll use some of this. We'll just pat it in, make sure it's secure.
Oh my gosh, we got a big worm.
Oh, he's fine. He's fine. Okay. Okay, it's all secure, and then we just need to water it in, and it's as simple as that. Banana trees give a tropical vibe, but remember that they're heavy feeders, and so I usually just use a plant tone. Just grab a handful or two, sprinkle it around, and then just work it in with your fingers, and then give a good drink. But remember, they need good drainage, and you will get that with the CPR Drain Shield.
You can find the CPR Drain Shield on corestone.com. Look in our video description for where you can purchase it.
And remember to like and subscribe. We have other videos coming to demonstrate the CPR Drain Shield with planting or replanting, so look for those in the future.
You don't understand the pressure of being on camera.